नो, कोई डाउट नहीं है। ये किस ईयर पूछा गया है? वन क्वेश्चन इज देयर, आप लोग सोचते रहना, ठीक है? इसका आंसर नहीं दूंगा, लेकिन मुझे पता है यू नो ऑल दिस आंसर। हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज वल्नरेबिलिटी? हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज वल्नरेबिलिटी एंड रिस्क असेसमेंट? द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट वाला है कि ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज, आई सेड दैट yes, vulnerability. Clear? How important is vulnerability? And I said and risk assessment for pre-disaster management. यही बात आप समझ रहे हैं? Assessment means, I said that first we have to understand what is the meaning of assessment, है ना? ये भी आपको समझना होगा. Like evaluation, assessment, somewhere trying to in the form of if you are seeing what I said that assessment, evaluation, कभी आप मार्केट में जाते हो तो what do you do? You are purchasing something ना? So during purchasing what do you do? Evaluate that whether you have to purchase or not. Yes? You give the value to the object before purchasing. आप परचेज करने से पहले what do you do? Value. क्लियर है? हो सकता है आपके लिए वो 70% वैलिड है और 30% नॉट वैल्यूड है, तो चांस ऑफ परचेजिंग विल इंक्रीज, यस और नॉट? हो सकता है कि इट इज, आई सेड दैट 60% आपको वैल्यूड है, आपके काम आएगा, एंड 40% इज नॉट, देन अगेन देयर इज अ चांस ऑफ व्हाट? परचेसिंग. क्लियर? इफ इट इज, आई सेड दैट 40% आपके लिए वैल्यू है, तो क्या होगा? चांस ऑफ परचेजिंग विल बिकम लेस. क्लियर है? मतलब यहाँ पर आपको कभी देखना होगा पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव. इवैल्यूएशन में क्या देखना होता है? पॉजिटिव एंड, समझ में आ रहा है? इवैल्यूएशन क्या है करता है? आपके डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी नॉलेज क्या, व्हाट्स योर नॉलेज इज, देन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट यू आर इवैल्यूएटिंग हाउ इट इज, व्हाई इट इज. क्लियर? Yes or not? Why you want to purchase it? Yes or not? How it will be useful for you? Is it clear? So you try to give the value to this object, why and how. Yes or not? And to some extent what is your purpose? तो purpose is very simple. सिंपल होगा, लेकिन आपके लिए कितना, कैसे, क्यों, कहाँ, how and why it will be valuable, then there is a question. तो सेम चीज़ यहाँ पे असेसमेंट में भी होता है. यू हैव टू गिव योर, व्हाट आई सेड दैट, अपनी असेसमेंट देनी है आपको. तो इफ पूरा आपके हाथ में, इवैल्यूएशन भी आपके हाथ में होता है. इफ आई सेड दैट इफ देयर इज सम इश्यूज, आर्टिकल 370 इज देयर, व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट? यस और नॉट? हाउ मच यू आर इवैल्यूएटिंग इट? कितना आप उसको इवैल्यूएट कर रहे हो, आप कितना वैल्यू पॉजिटिव दे रहे हो, कितना निगेटिव दे रहे हो, उससे कितना टेररिज्म आपको रिड्यूस हुआ है, एंड कितनी इंडिया की इंटीग्रिटी एंड सॉवरेनिटी मेंटेन हुई है. यस और नॉट? इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी पे कितना फ़र्क पड़ा है. क्लियर? सो आउटसाइड टेररिज्म इज हैपनिंग, हाउ मच इट इज़ देयर. Clear? How it has affected the China which has done something in the Galwan, Depsang, and then I said Pangong, and there is a Gogra hot spring region. So in the वो क्यों एक्टिव हो गया? तो हर एक का आपको अपना वैल्यू देना होगा कि क्या 370 आर्टिकल किस प्रकार से पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव है. मोस्टली तो पॉजिटिव ही होगा, लेकिन फिर भी आपको इवैल्यूएट करना है, कुछ उसके नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स भी बताने होंगे, है ना. सो देयरफॉर दिस क्वेश्चन हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड बिकॉज आपके पास डिसीजन मेकिंग है, डिसीजन इज इन योर हैंड. तो यहाँ पर भी असेसमेंट द सेम वे, यू हैव टू असेस. समझ में आ रहा है? तो यहाँ पर हाउ important is vulnerability and risk assessment for preparedness of pre-disaster management. तो preparedness, आपको pre-disaster management में क्या होता है? You know that preparation, कई बार बता चुका हूँ. preparation, mitigation, prevention. Yes or not? वल्नरेबिलिटी हमें क्या बताती है? यू नो दैट व्हाट द वल्नरेबिलिटी सेज, हमें दो चीज़ों के बारे में बोला. व्हाट द वल्नरेबिलिटी सेज दैट इफ यू आर लिविंग नियर बाई वल्नरेबल एरिया then it will be what I said, that risk is higher. So there are the different types of vulnerability, yes or not? Physical vulnerability, social means, that is I said, the family system, you can say, education system, yes, health system, and then country of India is what? Developing, yes. And then most of the time who is affected by this? Child, women and old age people. तो वहाँ पे डालेंगे आप. Getting my point? तो and thereafter we have to see also in the form of which one? Economic vulnerability. Yes or not? Income group, how much India is income? Is this disaster which has been taken place in the whole world, the pandemic, यदि यहाँ पर कई लोगों की डिफरेंट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी होती, डिफरेंट आपके घर में कई लोग काम करते रहते, समवेयर यू कैन बी, इवन यू आर गेटिंग हाफ, देन योर फैमिली कैन रन. Yes or not? If you have income variability, I have discussed earlier, income variability, then you can make, I said that your life will not go towards, your family life will not go toward disaster. So many lives, especially poverty, under the social vulnerability, they are highly vulnerable. Yes or not? So, आप रिस्क असेसमेंट फॉर, आप इसके साथ एटीट्यूडनल के साथ इसको करना है. समझ में आया? हाउ इंपॉर्टेंट इज वल्नरेबिलिटी एंड रिस्क असेसमेंट फॉर प्री डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट. तो दोनों को जोड़कर समझाना है. समझ में आया? एंड तुम मुझे ये दिखा दिए, मैं जो पढ़ दिया, मैं क्या मालूम है कौन तुमने दिया यार. आप इसको इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी से थोड़ा सा लोगे. यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है इन 2021 द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल मार्किंग ऑफ द हाई रिस्क एरियाज फॉर पायरेसी वाज मूव फ्रॉम 65 डिग्री ईस्ट टू 78 डिग्री ईस्ट. पायरेसी, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? क्या होता है पायरेसी? मूवीज़ आ जाती हैं बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स पे, आपने देखा होगा कि आप मूवीज़ पहले ही आ जाती हैं, कॉपीराइट किसी और का रहता है एंड आप उसको यूज़ करते हो. क्या सो पहले देखते हैं इन 2000 लॉन्गिट्यूडनल मार्किंग समझते हैं ना. इंडिया इज, आई सेड दैट and what is the longitudinal extension of India? What is the longitudinal extension of India? Longitudinal extension of India. मेरे साथ बोले 384. क्या बोला हमने? 84, नॉट 384. मेरे साथ बोले 84. क्या बोला हमने? 376, 84, 376. So you can be able to remember that this is your 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree, yes, 6 minute north. It is our latitudinal extension. It is known as what? India, it is in the globe. If you go into the globe of map of India, so here it is. From here to here, yes or not? Longitudinal extension is this. Clear है? मेरे साथ बोलेंगे, this is clear? याद हो गया आपको 84, 376? आप क्यों नहीं याद रखते तो पता है? एक तो आपको someone said point, there is no point as such. So the reason I said that minute or second it is division. तो 68 डिग्री ये क्या आपको 8 डिग्री 4 मिनट टू 37 डिग्री 6 मिनट. तो इससे बेहतर 84 376 याद करो, धीरे धीरे आपको याद हो जाएगा. जब भी आप बोलोगे तो 84 376 करना. नेक्स्ट मेरे साथ बोलेंगे 687, 9725, 9725. So here it is, I said that here it is 68 degree 7 minute north, sorry, east longitude. India is in the eastern hemisphere. and here it is, I said that 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. This is the longitudinal extension of India. Getting it? It is the longitudinal extension of India. And your question is saying that the Piraeus Sea was moved from 65 degree east to the 78 east in the Arabian Sea by the International Maritime Organization. So earlier here it is. So the Piraeus Sea is mostly it is taking place in this region. Earlier here it is 65 degree. यदि आप इसको नहीं समझेंगे तो who is involved? Just tell me. Mostly it is what? Pakistan and all these regions. Yes or not? Indian subcontinent nearby, now Pakistan and Afghanistan region. So I said that in 2021, longitudinal marking of the high risk area for piracy was moved from 65 degree east to the 78 degree east in the Arabian Sea by the International Maritime Organization. So 78 degree, and then आपको पता होगा India maritime, India's standard time it is, I said that 82.5. Yes or not? So 78 is somewhere else, somewhere nearby this. Yes or not? Means equally it is, I said that contributing in this region, Sri Lanka, as well as in the region of, I said that Myanmar, Malaysia, and as well as here it is also earlier this one. So these countries are also involved. So you have to go through the current affairs. Okay, तो वो वहाँ से ये क्वेश्चन उठा लिया गया है. Clear? In 2021, the longitudinal marking of the high risk area for piracy was moved from 65 degree east to the 78 degree east in the Arabian Sea by the International Maritime Organization. ये किसने बताया? IMO ने बताया. And what impact does this have on India's maritime security concern? इसका मतलब है कि India's के security concern से जो Navy is involved somewhere. Yes or not? Navy, and through this one I said that fishermen and whosoever is there. So west is also an eastern coast से भी सब कुछ हो रहा है. तो this is high completely related to the current affair. समझ में आ गया? So this is, you cannot say the completely the question of disaster management, it is a question of internal security. So you are asking the question of internal security. हाँ? अरे गोली मार दो ना उन लोगों को. कई लोग ऐसा करते हैं ना, जब प्री का क्वेश्चन आता है ना, सो मेनी क्वेश्चन अपने ही में डाल लेते. इकोनॉमिक्स का करंट अफेयर का क्वेश्चन रहेगा, इकोनॉमिक्स में डाल लेंगे. टीचर हैव नेवर टॉट इन द क्लास economics those topics, but you will say that this is in the part of economics जब क्वेश्चन आएगा. Getting my point? So ये सब चीज़ों से ये कहाँ दिख रहा है? यहाँ पे डिजास्टर है. Just tell me where it is disaster. But I told you that you can understand this way. Internal security आप थोड़ा सा पढ़ो. Internal security यहाँ पर इसके साथ है, पाकिस्तान के साथ है, and then साउथ ईस्ट एशिया के साथ कैसे आपको हो रहा है, and then अरेबियन सी का रोल कैसे इंक्रीज हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है. So that is the point. It is not the point of disaster and disaster management. Okay. So this question does not belong to. Clear? जो तुम्हारे टीचर इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी पढ़ाएंगे ना. सो डिजास्टर तभी इन्वॉल्व होगा बेटा जब वहाँ पे लॉस ऑफ लाइफ हो. ठीक है ना? यहाँ पे कौन सा क्लियर हो गया? आइडिया हो गया? पकड़ लिए क्वेश्चन. इट इज नॉट द डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट क्वेश्चन. बेटा जोर से बोलो. जिलेटिंग विस्फोट स्पेलिंग क्या है? मैंने ये गैस होगा मेरे ख्याल से. इट विल बी अ काइंड ऑफ गैस. आप क्या बोल रहे थे? एक्सप्लोड, एक्सपोजर. तो कहीं पे गैसेस लीकेज हो गया होगा, दैट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एन एक्सपोजर. तो जिलेटिन तो एक गैस केमिकल टाइप है. इट इज़ नॉट द गैस, बट इट कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू हाईली सब्लिमेशन. तो वो कन्वर्ट हो सकता है गैस. ये सब क्वेश्चन में गूगल बाबा की जय करा करो. डोंट आस्क सच क्वेश्चंस टू मी, है ना? और भी कोई क्वेश्चन और डाउट है? चलिए So, anybody is new in the class today? आप नए हैं या ओल्ड स्टूडेंट हैं? बेटा आज की क्लास कैसे समझ में आएगी आपको? जो अगर आप कंप्लीटली यू डोंट हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट सिविल्स, आपको पूरे न्यू हैं, कंप्लीटली न्यू हैं? You have done your optional. Which is your optional? Mathematics. What's your background, beta? Huh? BSc Mathematics. From where? राजस्थान में कहाँ? जयपुर. You belongs to Jaipur or you somewhere else? Huh? You are from Bihar, but you have done your graduation from Rajasthan. From where you are in Bihar? सिवान, गोपालगंज सिवान। हाँ, चलिए चलिए, मैथमेटिक्स ऑप्शनल आपने कंप्लीट कर रखा है। इट्स सेल्फ आई कोचिंग, थ्रू द कोचिंग इट्स सेल्फ। तो वही तो आप अभी भी नए हो ना बेटा। आपको फ्लड के बारे में कुछ आता है? एनसीईआरटी पढ़ा हुआ आपने थोड़ा बहुत? अच्छा, यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग सिंस 3 months? ऐसे ही मुस्कुरा के जवाब दिया करो, थोड़ा अच्छे से दिया करो, अच्छी बात है ना, यही होना चाहिए, मुस्कुरा के जवाब। कुछ लोग पूछो ना तो पहले ही पानी छूट जाता है। So we are going to see flood disaster. And here we'll see the one, it is we are going to see the general flood in India, and then another that we'll see urban flood in India. Clear? General flood in India. Clear? So now first we are going to see general flood in India. Clear? I said one important word that you have to understand. Suppose it is the river. Here is the river, and this is your, I said that river valley. River valley, and it is considered as a bank of the river, yes? It is considered as a bank of the river, and the river is moving in the river valley. But sometimes what happened, the river has, I said that river water, large volume of water start overflowing the bank of the river. When the large volume of water start, what I said, overflowing the bank, बस रिवर लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, overflowing the bank, considered as flood. When the large volume of water overflowing the bank, considered as flood. And you can also consider in the same way, here it is, we have taken which one? River. And if you are taking it as like, this is the India, it is in a eastern coast and a western coast, yes. And when the tsunami comes or cyclone comes, that they also bring high waves of water. So they also start overflowing the bank of the coast, yes or not? And it causes, yes, tell me, flood in the coastal areas. Getting my point? So here it is also considered as, and I said that bank. Yes or not? Bank. You can say the coast or bank of the, I said that coastal bank. Can you say that? Yes or not? So in a small way, you can say that when the large volume of water overflowing the bank considered as, yes, flood. Getting it clear? When the large volume of water overflowing the bank considered as flood. यहाँ पर अभी definition मत लिखना, हम लोग और जानेंगे, then you can be able to write better definition. Clear है? Shall I remove? ये याद भी हो चुका होगा. What is the definition of flood? When large volume of water overflowing the bank considered as flood. Understood it? Any problem? Now let us see. इसकी डेफिनेशन थोड़ी देर में हम लोग लिखेंगे और इसमें और भी चीज ऐड करेंगे सो दैट द एग्जामिनर कैन गिव यू मोर मार्क्स इन योर मेंस. नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव टू सी कॉज ऑफ जनरल फ्लड. First cause is heavy rainfall. First cause is heavy rainfall. Second one, I said that tsunami. Tsunami से better है, पहले लिखें physiographic feature. Physiographic feature. Then I said tsunami, cyclone, siltation of the river. Clear? Which are the causes I am saying? Heavy rainfall. Yes or not? Another one we have said physiographic feature. And then tsunami, cyclone. These two we have seen that in the tsunami and the cyclone that causes flood in the coastal region. And the siltation of rivers. So first we will discuss these three, then I will come on to this tsunami and cyclone. And that I have already discussed these six. Yes or not? अभी मैंने बताया मैंने. So now, first one we are coming towards heavy rainfall. Understood it? इसकी definition जब मैं यहाँ पे पूरा करा दूंगा, समझा दूंगा, thereafter I will go for the definition of flood. You know that when the heavy rainfall take place, listen me carefully, what happened? The two things can happen. ये मुझे बताओ, the river is like this. This is the youth stage of the river. This is the matured stage of the river. This is the old stage of the river. The river passes through three stages. Youth. When it is moving in the mountainous region, it is known as youth. And it is moving very fast. Yes or not? Like you are very active in your, what I said, that youth. अब बोलोगे सर अभी भी हम लोग youth में ही हैं. That's not correct. So, youth वहाँ पे था जब आप लोग 13, 14, 15 at this age, and if somebody said that go and play, so by the evening you will not back. Yes or not? Somebody is going to call you Okay, come back in the evening, then they are coming. Otherwise, you will plan to play in the night if there is a floodlights are there also. You don't want to come back. And even then you are not feeling hungry, even you are getting some kind of what, a glass of water, some small 2-3 biscuits in the field if you are getting. That is known as youth, yes or not? Abhi karke dikhao aap. You are not at that position. After 2 hours, after 1.5 hours, possibility is there you will start asking for lots of water, give me some more energy, sugar, content, kuch मांगने लग जाओगे. So youth is there where the river is very active, yes or not? And the river is flowing fast, yes or not? You can consider like that if the river is, suppose करो, what is the meaning of volume? What is the meaning of volume? फटाफट बताएं, मैं जो बताने जाऊंगा वो आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा. हाँ, volume means something which have mass. Okay. Occupy some space, yes or not? I have occupied some space, you have occupied some space, yes or not? तो space में क्या रहेगा? You can be able to say that there will be 3 dimensions, yes? There will be some kind of length, there will be some kind of width, there will be some kind of height. 3 things will be there. Whether you are talking about, I said that length, breadth, height, or you can say that 4/3 pi r cube, anywhere you will say that 3 things are. It is the volume of a sphere. Pi r square h, pi is a constant, r square h करोगे, that is the 3 things are multiplied. That is clear? तो volume में 3 चीज multiply होगी. Here it is also you can be able to see, like I said that, listen me carefully. If the river is like this, so here is the height of the river, and here is the, I said that what? Width of the river. Now the length has been left. Suppose karo, I am standing at Haridwar and then one line I have drawn. And the width of the river, and I said that depth of the river, that is considered as a height. Here it is, yes or not? Is it clear? Now we have to count that 1 minute में कितनी दूरी तक ये पानी चला जा रहा है, yes or not? In 1 minute. Getting my point? मैं यहाँ खड़ा हो गया, this is the length, this is the height, and this is the width, and there after 1 minute में यहाँ से कितना पानी क्रॉस किया? यहाँ से मान लो 100 मीटर तक चला गया, yes or not? So 100 meter, I have got what? And I have got, I said that 20 meter height, and I have got, I said that suppose 100 meter width. So the volume will be there 100 into 20 into 100, yes? And it will be every 1 meter, last I'll write meter cube. Yes or not? Itna to idea hai everyone. So it will become, I said that 2 lakh meter cube of water, 2 lakh meter cube of water passed in, I said that 1 minute. Yes or not? So how much volume of water passed? How much volume of water passed? Just tell me. 2 lakh meter cube. आप जो टंकी खरीद के लेके आते हो इन योर रूफ, आप जानते हो कुछ टंकियाँ होती हैं, इट इज़ ऑफ 1000 लीटर, 500 लीटर, 250 लीटर, 750 लीटर. You know that 1 meter cube will have 1000 liter of water. So you can consider how much water is this, yes or not? तो आपको इससे किस में मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा? 1000 से. So the large volume of water is passing. Is it clear? ध्यान से देखना यहाँ. So here it is. Shall I remove this? How much water is passing here? 2 lakh meter cube of water is passing in 1 minute in the youth stage. Yes? Yes or not? So what is the speed? Per minute. Is it clear? Now what will happen? Here it is coming into the mature stage. और यहाँ पे river क्या करता है? Vertical erosion more. Yes or not? If the river is flowing like this, इतना तो assume कर सकते हो आप. If when the river is flowing like this, then it will do more vertical erosion. Yes or not? Because it's trying to move downward. So there will be more vertical erosion and the river will deepen. Yes or not? We say valley formed in the mountainous region. But when it is coming into the plain area, suddenly the slopes changed. Mountain to plain area, slope change. Yes. Speed will reduce. Speed will. So here what will happen, here the speed will be further reduced to 500, you can say that 50,000 meter cube in 1 minute will pass. Automatically speed is less, yes or not? And in the last stage where if Ganga river, if you are taking from the after the Haridwar and all, it coming into the Kannauj and coming into the what I said that Bijnor and then passing through Bulandshahr and Kannauj, good. It is coming, it is in the what? Mature stage. Then by passing Kanpur, Kanpur, Banaras, Allahabad and all, it is coming into the old stage. And then slope is like this. And you will passing then Patna and then reaching to the what I said that Kolkata, Hooghly and all. Here you will see that the river is not moving like this, only Hilkole like this. Have you seen? कभी देखा होगा आपने? नहीं देखा, मुझे हिलते हुए देख लिया. वाटर को तो देखा होगा ना, ऐसे ऐसे लगता है बह भी नहीं रहा, it is not flowing. What does it mean? So here the speed will be, I can say that suppose 10,000 meter cube per minute. Listen me carefully, it has been categorized into which are the stages? Old stage, yes or not? Clear है? यहाँ पे cutting problem, cutting down intensity is less. Yes or no? Vertical erosion will be. Now here the water is coming with the 5,000 cubic meter in 1 minute. Yes or not? 50,000. 4 times less. लेकिन यहाँ का पानी तो यहाँ आएगा ही आएगा. You can't stop it back. Can you stop it? Can you stop it? नहीं ना. सो यहाँ पर रिवर क्या करेगी, आएगी और एवरी ईयर थोड़ा सा क्या करेगी, वर्टिकल इरोजन तो नहीं है, लैटरल इरोजन करके रिवर वैली को काटते जाएगी और थोड़ा थोड़ा फ्लड करते जाएगी. इज इट क्लियर? सो इन द मैच्योर स्टेज एवरी ईयर लिटिल फ्लड. यस, yes or not? Naturally there will be flood. Yes, is it clear? Until unless its valley become 4 times greater. Yes or not? Yes or not? Now here it is it is a 10,000 old stage, 10,000 meter cube, and the water is coming 20 lakh. So kitna 2 lakh. Yes. So here it will be what happened, the river will start cutting the river valley, widening more 20 times more. And every year, since thousands of years, it is every year little bit flood in the what? Nearby region. Yes. अरे मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं आप? So the naturally in the old stage where the slope is very low or negligible slope, in that region, large flood plain. It is clear? समझ में आ गया? Yes or not? Everyone, it is clear? तो ध्यान से, naturally river gets flood in mature and old stage. Yes, naturally river gets flood in mature and old stage. That is clear? But if the heavy rainfall taken place in the mountainous region, then the mountainous region will also get flooded. और यहाँ पर पीछे से suppose करो कि यहाँ पे 20,000 cubic meter of rainfall has been taken place. So it will come onto the ice. There will be, in the youth stage, there will be little flood. Mature stage, little flood will convert into what? Severe flood. And then old stage will also convert into very high level of flood. Yes. Understood? Any problem? Yes? Can I say that it is an inadequate capacity of the river? Can I say that? River capacity is what? Not adequate to what is this? Contain all the water which is coming from the back. मेरी बात आपको समझ में आ गया? Yes, what I say that? Simply the river capacity is inadequate in comparison to the what I said that high flow of discharge. In comparison